Remap Copy and Paste shortcuts on a Mac. I use Windows at work and a Mac at home. One of the biggest issues is the difference between the copy-paste shortcuts on Windows versus the Mac, i.e. Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V on Windows, and on the Mac it's Command+C and Command+V. Invariably it's hard because of learnt motor skills where my hand always shapes itself to the Windows Ctrl+C configuration. I have been using Windows longer. I would like to remap the copy and paste to the Fn+C and Fn+V on the Mac. Why? Because the Fn key is actually the key that corresponds to where the Control key is on Windows keyboards, and since it's the last edge key it's easy to find. I have tried double command, but it doesn't seem to have an option of turning Fn to the command key.
You could try to map command to the control key, and vice versa. It's much easier to do and, in my opinion, is almost identical to Windows keyboards. Just go to System Preferences, Keyboard and Mouse, Keyboard. On the lower left side is a button, Modifier Keys. Just switch Control and Command around.
I was able to get this to work by using a combination of double command and Japan's hint from here. First check the function key acts as control key box in double command. Then save the file /library/keybindings/default keybinding.dict with the contents. After you log out and log back in, you should be able to use FNC to copy, etc. There are obvious drawbacks to this approach. You have to explicitly define every command you want to use Fn for and mapping to control, and then Fn is really hacky. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get it to work another way. At first I thought you might be able to select both the command key acts as control key checkbox and the Fn key acts as control key, but that didn't seem to work. Ditto for changing to control with Alex's method above. I was also unable to find the modifier for assigning commands to Fn, and Apple's documentation seems to indicate that it's done at a lower level than keybinding has access to. If someone knows a better way of doing this, I would love to see it.
Go System Preference is greater than Keyboard is greater than Keyboard Shortcuts, and Set Application Keyboard Shortcuts is greater than All Applications. Add shortcut. Copy $C. Undo $Z. Redo $Z. Cut $X. Paste V. Select all $A. Done, smiley face.
1. Go to Apple. 2. Go to System Preferences. 3. Go to Keyboard. 4. On Keyboard, go to the Keyboard tab. 5. Go to Modifier Keys. 6. Change the Control key drop-down box to Command. 7. Click OK. Done. Now, Ctrl+C equals copy, Ctrl+V equals paste, and Ctrl+C equals undo.